Hello everyone, it's time for your urgent dose of internet. This is a swarm of monkeys that took over the streets of a city in Thailand. This is lycopodium powder, which is made from the spores of plants. This powder is so hydrophobic that this man can stick his hand into water and still be completely dry.
Now check out what happens when I stick my hand into the lycopodium spores. Into the water. And my hand still comes out dry.
Hair standing on end in thunderstorm falls when lightning strikes somewhere nearby.
How?
Nyt ne laski.
And down it went.
Sekunnissa ne laski.
Se on ukkonen.
Niin mä tiedän, ne laski.
Se äsken meni.
That will be all for this video. Hope you enjoyed.